It's wonderful to connect you all. My name is Shivani. I am a neurogrammar coach. Yes, my dear. So, today I am going to tell you a secret how to train your brain to think in English. How can I how can our brain think in English? Now, most of the people says that while speaking English, we need to convert. Yes, वे अपनी मदर टंग से इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करते हैं सेंटेंसेस को, देन दे आर एबल टू स्पीक. बट टुडे आई हैव अ सीक्रेट व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील. दिस इज, माय डियर फ्रेंड, आई बिलीव that everyone, or I can say most of the people, loves singing. Yes or no? Yes, I believe. So basically, you sing song in Hindi or in your mother tongue. But from today, my dear friend, you have to just do a task. Whenever you want to listen the song, you need to do it. What you have to do? आपको करना है कि you will listen song in English. Yes, you will listen song in English, and वो वाला सॉन्ग आपको सुनना है नीचे जिसमें लिख कर आता है. लाइक इंग्लिश में सॉन्ग चल तो रहा है और इंग्लिश में लिख कर भी आता है, सो दैट यू कैन वॉच एंड यू कैन रिपीट. Okay, one time, two time, three time, it will create problem because you are not habitual. But my dear friends, for learning anything and for growing, we need to leave our comfortable. हमें हमारे कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना पड़ता है, तब जाकर हम कहीं कुछ सीख पाते हैं, तब जाकर हम अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना पाते हैं. Okay, so the people who you see is successful, it's not in one day, my dear. And I just want to tell you, they work harder, they work more. Normal people do work 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, but they work for 18 hours, 16 hours, then they are success. Okay, if anyone is not ready to leave her or his comfort zone, you cannot success, you cannot learn anything. So, my dear friend, if you really want to learn, if you really want to grow, you must leave your comfort zone. So start listening song in English. Yes, I know it is not easy, but slowly and gradually, it will take 1 month. You will start loving listening music in English. So whenever, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि हर समय आप इंग्लिश में ही सॉन्ग सुनिए. You can listen your favorite song in Hindi too, but try to listen at least once in a day. The more you will listen, the more you will learn. So, first is this, listen, and what will happen? If you listen now and you watch the sentences coming on the screen, you read, that means you are repeating, you are listening, and after that you start speaking, you start singing, you will start singing. क्या होगा कि स्टार्टिंग में आप सुनोगे, फिर जो सेंटेंसेस आ रहे हैं उसको बोलोगे, फिर उसको सिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. तो ये जो सेंटेंसेस है ना, ये हमारी आंखें देख रही हैं. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं, ये जो सेंटेंसेस है, ये अंदर जाके स्टोर हो जाएंगे। हमारा माइंड जब हम बोलते हैं, जब हम सुनेंगे, जब हम स्पीक करेंगे, हमारा माइंड इसे स्टोर कर लेगा सेंटेंसेस को। देन slowly and gradually we will be habitual of it, and whenever we need, we will be able to speak. In this way, we can train our brain to think in English, to store English sentences. So whenever we need, it will come to us, it will come to our mouth. So now, one main, start doing from today and see the result after 1 month. It is my promise. You will be able to speak. Yes. So this is only one small task for you. You have 1 week. Now, next week on Thursday, I'll give another video. Okay. So, तब तक के लिए bye bye. Thank you so much. खूब practice कीजिए. Without practice, nothing is possible. Yes. Thank you.